Champion casement windows are a great choice for over your sink, counter, or appliances and provide an unobstructed view. Casement windows are designed for easy cleaning from the interior of your home. This video will take you through 6 easy steps on how to clean your Champion casement window from the inside of your home. Start by grabbing both sides of the screen and simply push down then pull out to remove the screen. After the screen is removed, you are ready to clean the inside of the glass. Spray the inside of the window and wipe it down. It is now time to clean the exterior of your window. First, unlock the window by pushing the latch upwards. Next, to open the window, pull the crank out of its pocket and turn the crank until the window is all the way open. You are now ready to clean the exterior window glass. Simply reach between the frame and sash to clean the exterior of the window. Here is a look from the outside of the home to demonstrate the ease of cleaning casement windows without needing to go outside. Once you are finished cleaning the interior and exterior glass, crank the window until it is closed and return the crank back into its pocket. Lastly, pull the latch back down to lock the window and put the screen back over your window. Now you know how to clean your Champion casement windows.